Hi guys, welcome back to Gravity Performance. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at one of our 3-inch exhaust systems for the Mark III Ford Focus ST250. These systems are a great way to get some more power and some more sound out of your car without having to alter anything else. Let's get the box open and see what's inside. Starting off with the 3-inch brush finish midsection. We use a resonator to keep the drone down on motorways. We use mandrel bending throughout the entire system, along with it being fully TIG welded. Moving on to the back box, we're sticking with the brushed stainless steel finish, along with some 4-inch twin tips to complement the style and add some aggression to the rear end of this ST. We supply all the necessary fixings and gaskets for ease of install. A nice direct replacement for the OEM system, ready for us to take it outside and give it a few revs. Head over to the website for more details on all of our upgrades. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.